New topic with Umar Sajjad. Today topic will able to understand difference between vertebrate and invertebrate animals. Let's start. Vertebrates and non-vertebrates are two broad categories of animals that differ primarily in their skeletal structure. Here are the main differences between the two. Skeletal structure. Vertebrates have a well-developed internal skeleton made of bones or cartilage. This internal skeleton provides support, protection, and serves as an anchor for muscles. In contrast, non-vertebrates lack an internal skeleton and may have exoskeletons, for example, arthropods, or no skeletal structure at all, for example, worms, jellyfish. Backbone and vertebrae. Vertebrates are characterized by the presence of a backbone, also known as the vertebral column or spine. The backbone is a series of individual bones called vertebrae, which are stacked on top of each other to form a flexible and protective structure surrounding the spinal cord. Non-vertebrates, as the name suggests, do not possess a backbone or vertebrae. Nervous system. Vertebrates typically have a well-developed and complex nervous system. The spinal cord, which is protected by the vertebral column, is part of the central nervous system. Non-vertebrates, on the other hand, may have a less complex nervous system, and lack a centralized spinal cord. Size and complexity. Vertebrates encompass a wide range of animals, from small frogs to large elephants, and from simple fish to highly complex humans. They generally exhibit greater structural and behavioral complexity compared to non-vertebrates. Non-vertebrates comprise a vast array of organisms, including insects, mollusks, arachnids, worms, and more, but they generally exhibit simpler anatomical structures and behaviors. Reproductive strategies. Vertebrates often exhibit diverse reproductive strategies, including internal fertilization and live birth, for example, mammals, or external fertilization and egg-laying, for example, birds, reptiles. Non-vertebrates also employ various reproductive methods, such as external fertilization, for example, fish, internal fertilization, for example, insects, or asexual reproduction, for example, some worms and insects. Evolutionary history. Vertebrates belong to the subphylum Vertebrate within the phylum Chordata. They have evolved from common ancestors over millions of years. Non-vertebrates, on the other hand, constitute the vast majority of animal species and encompass several phyla, such as Arthropoda, insects, spiders, crustaceans, mollusca, snails, squids, annelida, earthworms, leeches, and many others. It's important to note that these are general differences, and there can be exceptions or variations within each group. Additionally, while vertebrates are generally more familiar to us due to their larger size and greater ecological impact, non-vertebrates are incredibly diverse and abundant, playing crucial roles in ecosystems worldwide. Thanks for your time and concentration. Have a great day.